So how do you mute your reel on Instagram story if you're sharing it like that on the iPhone? How can you do this? Well, by the way, if you are new on this channel, I cover topics like this all the time. So just subscribe right now and you're not going to miss the next one. But essentially, if it's a photo story, a photo post which you want to share on your story, well, obviously it can contain music. So for that, the only way is to take a screenshot and just share it to your story like that. However, it's not going to work with the video, of course. So for the video, what you need is to get the video from Instagram to your device and then share it on your story. Naturally, make sure you do it for your own videos or if you have the rights to do this. But go ahead and locate the reel on Instagram like that, and then just ensure to copy the link of this. So you can tap on the share button and then copy link. Then go to Safari web browser and type in Instagram Reels Downloader. Plenty of different websites which are gonna pop up. Most of them just do the same thing where you type and paste the link right there and then download the video basically to your gallery where you can share it again to the internet. So you just then move to the Instagram app, then go to a story creation page and post the story with the video reel right there. And now, of course, you can mute it and perform some other changes as well. So I know it's not as straightforward as you would expect, but this is just how it works, right? We cannot really do much more. So that's it from me. Let me know if you managed to do it on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.